Welcome to this video on Leo moon sign, also known as Simha Rashi in Vedic astrology. Leo moon individuals are known for their charismatic, confident, and regal personalities. Ruled by the sun, the planet of vitality and authority, they naturally radiate warmth and command attention wherever they go. One defining trait of Leo moon people is their leadership ability. They are born to lead and excel in roles that allow them to shine. Their sense of dignity and self-respect makes them stand out, but they can sometimes be perceived as stubborn or overly proud. Leo moon individuals are creative and ambitious. They have a flair for drama and an innate ability to inspire others. Their strong desire to be recognized for their efforts drives them to achieve greatness. However, they must guard against being overly sensitive to criticism. In relationships, Leo moon individuals are loving, generous, and fiercely protective of their partners. They give their all in love and expect loyalty and admiration in return. Their need for appreciation makes them thrive in relationships where they feel valued. Family life for Leo moon individuals is often centered around their role as a provider or protector. They take pride in creating a secure and nurturing environment for their loved ones. Their fathers often play a significant role in shaping their personality, and they may inherit a strong sense of responsibility from them. Physically, Leo moon people often have a commanding presence. Their magnetic personality and confident demeanor make them natural attention grabbers. They may have sharp features, a strong build, and expressive eyes that exude warmth and authority. When faced with challenges, Leo moon individuals rely on their resilience and optimism. They are natural fighters who believe in rising above adversity. Their life motto is, "Lead with courage and grace." In summary, Leo moon individuals are charismatic, ambitious, and generous leaders. Their ability to inspire and their desire for recognition make them truly remarkable. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other moon signs.